Here's how to fix the issue of Windows 10 or 11 computer or laptop not detecting your Bluetooth headphones. To begin, right-click on the Start icon and then choose Device Manager. From the menu that appears, go ahead and double-tap on the Bluetooth option over here and expand the Bluetooth options. You will see your Bluetooth adapter listed. Right-click on your Bluetooth adapter and select Uninstall Device first. And be sure to check the box to completely uninstall the driver and then click on Uninstall. Next, open Services. Now in the Services app, locate Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Now from the menu that appears, change the startup type to Automatic. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Repeat these steps for both Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service and Bluetooth User Support Service as well. And finally, restart your computer or laptop, and this should definitely help you resolve the problem. If you still have trouble, your last resort is to perform a hard reset of your computer or laptop. Disconnect all the wired devices, including the charger, and then press and hold the power button for at least 30 seconds, and this will drain any remaining power that could be causing the issue. After that, turn your computer back on and the problem should be fixed. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.